We were hunting for a worktop, one that we really liked. We'd seen lots of different ones, but actually we wanted something special, something with a nice gold line going through it. And we found the website, we ordered our samples, and we loved the sample when it arrived. Having chatted to them on the phone, they sent us some larger samples, and then we spoke to them about all the other processes that we'd have to go through, and that was it, we were sold. They were really professional. They came along, they did the templating. Once that was done, we spoke to them about various other bits and pieces. We were able to change little pieces if we needed to get it all just as we wanted it to. They've done a nice bespoke fit for us with the induction hob we've got there that my husband adores. That was a big feature for him, so he needed that to go in. That was a big selling point for him. And the nice pop-up plug sockets and things like that. So we feel as though we've got everything we wanted in our kitchen now, and they did a brilliant job. They arrived when they said they would, and it was all installed beautifully.